Have you ever dreamed of starting an online business, but felt overwhelmed by where to begin, what tools to use, or how much time it would take? Well, what if I told you that in 2025, you no longer need a team, a budget, or even technical skills, and low-cost tools to build a full-fledged online business from product to website to marketing without hiring anyone? This is not theory. It is real, it is practical, and it is happening now. Because now, artificial intelligence can build your business for you, end to end. In this video, I will walk you through how I used a combination of free. I started with nothing but an idea. I asked ChatGPT to generate profitable niches for digital products based on current market demand. From there, it helped me brainstorm product ideas. I chose a Notion-based freelancer CRM template. Then I used Notion and Canva to design the product. Every part of this funnel, from discovery to conversion, was created and powered by AI. The AI then suggested optimization points like button placement and copy changes. All I did was input my product's description, and the AI built the layout, chose the images, wrote the headlines, and even optimized the SEO. Literally in a few hours, I had a branded, premium-looking product ready to sell. Because artificial intelligence is not just a tool. It is a multiplier of speed, clarity, and output. This is not about working harder. It is about working smarter. Next, I used Durable AI, an AI website builder, to create a clean, mobile-friendly, and highly persuasive landing page. The posts were scheduled using Buffer, fully automated. The result? A website that looks like it was built by a $5,000 agency, but took me less than 10 minutes. I connected the site to MailerLite and used I2 write email, sequences, welcome emails, product pitches, discount offers, all optimized by Copy.ai for conversions. Then I asked ChatGPT and KeywordTool. It should generate a week's worth of SEO blog content and social media captions, completely aligned with high-ranking keywords. For checkout and delivery, I used Gumroad, which allowed me to set up product pricing, automated delivery, and track customer insights, all in a single dashboard. I also created a free version of the product as a lead magnet, automatically delivered after email opt-in. To track everything, I used MetriCool and Google Analytics AI insights to monitor conversion rates, traffic sources, and user behavior. The more it learned, the better the performance got. And all I had to do was approve and apply. So, in just one weekend, I built a fully automated online business using only AI, no team, no overhead, no guesswork. If you have been waiting for the right time to start your online business, that time is now. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who has big business dreams but no idea where to start. This is Byte to Bank, where we turn code and clicks into cash and clarity.